Yes, good evening, brethren. It's me again, Mojo the Traveler. See, tonight we are in Lusail again, and I will show you what is my setup. I'm going to work. Of course, safety first. To make our life safe, then we pray first. We have our helmet to protect our head, and we have our gloves for protection of our hands, and of course we have a cycling jersey with a big tummy and a rubber shoes. This is my bag, a little bit big bag with a reflector for our safety also, and we have our big